These days, your business and your servers are joined at the hip. So keeping your business safe and secure can really keep you up at nights. A lot of pretty scary stuff can happen, eh? You've got viruses and corrupted hard drives and hackers and malware and crashes and bugs and power surges, and you can lose all of your sales data, everything, in the blink of an eye. Mama! Stuff happens. Sure, that's life. But guess what? There's a surefire way to get everything right back up and running when something does. Surprise! Virtualization. Here's how. For one, when a server is virtualized, it can be brought back online much more quickly and easily. Why? Because it doesn't have to be rebuilt from scratch like you do with a physical machine. All those patches and software updates your server needs, well, everything's wrapped up in one fresh, tidy, neat little package. And that means your business is up and running in a flash. In your face, viruses. And there's something else. Thanks to something known as automation, virtualization makes it much, much easier to maintain and update the technology that keeps your business running. So a lot of the stuff that causes crashes is effectively eliminated. But how can you not possibly like the way this sounds? Huh? And hey, with the virtualization-optimized Microsoft Server 2008 and the Dell PowerEdge servers, keeping your business safe and secure has never been easier. Whew. No more IT nightmares. So, no more sleepless nights. Shh. Sweet dreams. This has been the Dell Tech 2, your personal spotlight on business technology.